In this video, I will show how to format number in thousand as a K, million as a M, and billion as a B in Excel. As you are looking in social media like YouTube, so you can format in this type. Firstly, select range, then right click, and here click on format cells. You select number and custom, then write this formula 0.0, then 1 comma, double quote, then write the K capital and double quote. So this is the formula you can use, then click on OK. Same for million, right click, format cells and custom 0.0, then double comma. This time you write double comma, then double quote, then M, double quote, then click on OK. And for billion, same, and make sure this time 0.0 and triple comma 1, 2 and 3, then double quote with B capital, double quote, then click on OK. So this is the way and method to write billion, B for billion, M for million and K for thousand in Excel. Thanks for watching.